Hello again. We are back for the submodule 1.b, which is centered on the discussion of the definition of accounting and its branches. This will help you familiarize yourselves with accounting as a field of professional practice. Different literatures and organizations define accounting in various ways. According to the definition given by the American Accounting Association, accounting is a process of identifying, measuring, and communicating financial transactions and communicating the results thereof to interested users of accounting information. Take note of the keywords process, identifying, measuring, communicating, and interested users. On the other hand, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants define accounting as an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are, in part at least, of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Notice the commonalities among the definitions that we have given. Based from these definitions, we can rule out that accounting is a service activity which function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. When we say quantitative, this basically says that accounting relates to numbers. We also want to highlight that this quantitative information is financial in nature, meaning its focus is on the financial dimension of the entity, which is measured in terms of money or currency. And as a process and as a system, structured reporting of transactions resulting from past events can only be useful if it impacts decisions about the future. And that explains the value that accounting adds in the organization. Now, let us expound on the keywords mentioned in the definitions that we have given. Basically, accounting consists of three activities. It identifies, it records, and it communicates the economic events of an organization to interested users. Identification involves the determination of the economic events relevant to the business, such as sale, provision of services, payment of expenses, borrowing and issuance of promissory note, etc. Once these economic events are identified as accountable, they are now ready to be recorded. Recording of the accountable economic events is aimed at providing a history of the business financial activities. The recording phase is accomplished by keeping a systematic, chronological diary of events measured in the applicable currency using the journal. Recording also includes the phases of classifying and summarizing these economic events. Classifying and summarizing is accomplished or are accomplished when the financial effect of the recorded economic events are posted and summarized using the so-called ledger. And last but not the least is the communicating phase, where the collected information are disseminated to the interested users by means of accounting reports. The most common of these reports are called financial statements. A vital element in communicating economic events is the accountant's ability to analyze and interpret the reported information. Analysis involves use of ratios, percentages, graphs, and charts to highlight significant financial trends and relationships, while interpretation involves explaining the uses, meaning, and limitations of reported data. As a professional field, there are several branches of accounting. The first two broad branches are management accounting and financial accounting. Let us differentiate the two. Management or managerial accounting is concerned with providing financial reports to assist management in making decisions. Decisions such as whether the company should make or buy, purchase or outsource, etc. While financial accounting is concerned with reporting financial information, specifically general purpose financial statements to interested parties. If you look into these branches of accounting, the difference mainly lies on the focus, the reports that accountants prepare, and the users of these reports. There are also other more specialized areas of accounting practice, such as government accounting, cost accounting, forensic accounting, environmental accounting, etc. We are now familiar with the definition of accounting and its branches. And in our next submodule, we will discuss the different types of business and the various forms of business organization. Stay tuned.